Hi everyone, today I wanna show you how to fix searching for the Dota 2 game coordinator. So simply stay tuned, let's start. Okay guys, if you want to fix searching for the Dota 2 game coordinator, follow my steps. Okay guys, in the Dota game, go to your top left corner. Okay, go to option tab. On the button to advanced options, click here. Network quality, be sure ensure I have a low end network. Select this one, not this one. The first one, I have a low end network. Okay, after that, go and click play Dota. Look at practice with bots. Select solo mode and play this one for a few minutes. Okay, I will select some hero. Okay, okay, play this game for a few minutes. As you can see, okay. Okay guys, it's enough. Now disconnect by click in the top left corner here, as you can see. Back to dashboard, then ensure to click disconnect. Okay, then in the top right corner click yes. Okay, now guys, re-enter to the game again and the problem will be fixed. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share.